The world has experienced a prolonged period of uncertainty and unrest caused by the SARS-CoV-2 responsible for the coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic. To date, it has already affected the lives of peoples in almost 200 countries, and still counting, globally. The human cost is rapidly being matched by huge economic costs. How does the global pandemic showed its impact to the Philippines? Philippine economy enters bear market and as low as 2.4% inflation rate since March. A bear market is when a market experiences prolonged price declines and very low inflation. Usually signals demand for goods and services is lower than it should be, and this tends to slow economic growth and depress wages. On March 9, 2020, the Philippine Stock Exchange (PSE) index lost 457.77 points or 6.76%, its steepest decline since the financial crisis of 2007-08. The following day, shares plunged by 6.23% to 5,957.35 php, 117 United States dollars and 54 cents, settling below the 6,000 level benchmark and entering the bear market territory. The mining and oil industries were the most affected with a 9.05% drop, followed by holding companies with a 6.93% drop. The PSE's circuit breaker mechanism was invoked for the second time since the measure's introduction in 2008, halting trade for 15 minutes. The National Economic and Development Authority (NEDA) revised its economic growth outlook for the Philippines in 2020 from a 6.5% to 7.5% gross domestic product (GDP) growth registered in late 2019 to a 5.5% to 6.5% GDP growth following the pandemic. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas (BSP) Governor Benjamin Diokno and NEDA Director General Ernesto Pernia forecast that the Philippine economy would likely enter a recession, a business cycle contraction when there is a general decline in economic activity, in 2020 due to the effect of the pandemic. The BSP forecasts that the inflation rate may lower to 2.4% in March from 2.6% in February and 2.9% in January due to a decrease in the price of oil from $85 to $30 per barrel as a result of the pandemic. Thank you for watching this first video of this series. Keep tuned in to this channel by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell for our next video.